So I have one question. Is Intel back? It seems like they offer everything that I saw at CES from them this year, and they didn't even have a big booth presence at all. But they did make their presence very quiet, but a very loud presence, especially with the Asus ZenBook Duo. Now that's a total cool productivity, dual screen based device that's sort of focused in that market. However, it's going to come with an Intel Core Ultra processor, which means it's going to have the ability to have Intel Arc graphics, which should mean it should do some pretty good gaming, at least some 1080p gaming on that device. And it's not even marketed as a gaming device like you would normally see with the ROG Zephyrus, especially the G16. That is an amazing, amazing laptop. I love pretty much everything about it. The look, I like it doesn't have that sort of super gamer look. It's a very nice, subtle, good look. I love the LED strip on the back of the RGB that it comes with, the keyboard. It's the OLED display as well too. It's coming with Intel Core Ultra processors inside of it. It does have Intel graphics. Obviously this is going to come with discrete graphics, I believe up to a 4090 on this as well, if I remember correctly. It might be 4080, but I think it's a 4090 that it's going to come with as well too. But you'll have Intel as well too if you want to use those graphics and save some power versus the more powerful NVIDIA graphics there with it. So you can see where Intel's just kind of in the mix with sort of everything. You take a look at something else like the MSI Claw, which is taking on the Steam Deck and the other ROG Ally, those sort of handheld PC gaming devices that we've seen a lot out there lately. And that's going to come with Intel Core Ultra inside of it as well, running Intel Arc graphics. It's nice to see that's competing in the market. And that's going to be the first one running with Intel's graphics inside of it in that sort of PC mobile gaming space that we've seen kind of come up since the Steam Deck. Then you have some alternative devices like the Lenovo, let me get this right, Lenovo ThinkPlus Hybrid. You have the Hybrid Station and the Hybrid Tab. I always kind of get that name sort of mixed up, but it's the laptop that's coming with an Android tablet and the base is a full Windows machine. That base, that Hybrid Station, is coming with an Intel Core processor inside of it and that Core Ultra processor inside of it. So it's going to have the ability to game as well too, because it should have Intel Arc available on it. That's amazing. And that's not even geared to be gaming. That is a hybrid laptop that gives you the ability to have Android and Windows, but you can also do some gaming on the Windows side with that. It's just really cool. But that isn't the only thing Intel sort of released. If you take a look, they have some 14th gen stuff out there too, especially 14th gen HX, that much more powerful laptop processors. We've seen that in the MSI, let me get this, Titan 18HX. I think that's specifically the name with it, but that one's a really powerful desktop replacement 18-inch laptop, coming with pretty much all the features you would expect with it and really using all that power. It's not even hiding any of it. It's like, yo, we're going to give you the power that you need inside this laptop, do whatever you sort of need. And that's the same thing when you take a look at the Razer Blade 18. I was really impressed by that one. What's cool about that is that laptop's actually coming with Thunderbolt 5, and I think it's the world's first Thunderbolt 5 laptop. And what's really cool, it has the ability to run like 3 external monitors, as you can see right here in the demo. But what's cool about that is that those are 4K monitors running at 120 hertz refresh rate. 3 of them. And it's supposed to, at some point, and when the final specs sort of kind of done with this, it's supposed to do 4K up to 144 hertz, I believe, if I remember what they told me when I saw the demo. So it can even go faster and more powerful with that. And it just seemed amazing how Thunderbolt 5 can kind of do those things. That's just really just impressive to see here. So you can see where Intel sort of come into the game here. And a lot of people thought they were kind of out, but I think they got a lot of interesting stuff and putting stuff out there. And what I really like is that a lot of the stuff from Intel is coming to market or in the market already. They really are pushing the force out there. So it's going to be interesting to see the responses that we have out. But I really can't wait to kind of get my hands on and really do a deep dive with a lot of these Intel Core Ultra devices and some of those big Razer Blade 18 and those HX processors. I just want to see all the stuff that you can sort of do with it. But share your thoughts below. Let me know what you guys think. Is Intel back? Are they back in this gaming space? Have they put out some good stuff? Let me know.